Introducing the Dovetail Clamp AP, the next generation of MATCHFIT Dovetail clamps. With anti-pivot technology and the all-new X-Pad, giving you hold down and inline pressure at the same time. What? We already broke the mold with the first generation of dovetail clamps by creating a work holding system with just a router bit. Now you can apply clamping pressure in two directions with just one clamp and no expensive T-track. The included X-Pad slips right over the standard cap, applying downward and horizontal pressure simultaneously. Combined with stops, you can glue up long parts without long clamps. Just this little guy. It's like two clamps in one. Crazy, right?
You can use it to make a tall fence on your table saw.
Or as a straight line jig. Use it on the drill press to secure fences, stops, or material, or you can use it on the miner station.
Use a spacer to secure material from a distance, leaving the top unobstructed for flattening, template routing, or CNC work. Want to clamp round stock? No problem. The Dovetail Clamp AP's coil spring keeps the arm of the clamp in place, defying gravity. When you're setting up a large glue up or swapping out parts for repetitive processes, the arm won't drop down and get in your way. The Dovetail Clamp AP is also longer than the original, giving you a full 8.5 inches of clamping capacity for larger projects. No other system gives you the flexibility to create your own tracks where and when you need them. For jigs, fixtures, and assembly, there really is no substitute.
Join the thousands of craftsmen who are already working smarter with the MATCHFIT system and never buy another inch of T-track.
MATCHFIT Dovetail clamps are backed by our extended 3-year warranty and 100% satisfaction guarantee. Add to cart and start working smarter today with the MATCHFIT Dovetail Clamp AP.